We're about to place our next column, and you can see this one's in place now, and we have another one ready, and we removed the braces in the corner. We have a brace over here and we have those down through there, so we should be good. We're going to go up there and remove those extra boards, or at least that one extra board. And then we have to get our holes in for so our countersink holes, get that all ready, and then we'll put our pedestal on about where we need it, get the column in place, then we're going to need Amy to hold on it while we screw the top in. And then we'll plumb down and get the base in the correct spot and screw onto that. So that's where we're at. And we'd have to find some cross pieces too. These curved braces. I know we have a couple, so we're gonna have to locate them and try to get them in wherever we have, and then start making new ones if we need them.